Welcome dear students to my channel Elite's Maths class. As you can see, today's topic is differentiation of class 12. Here I am going to discuss method 2 of the derivatives, to finding derivatives. Before watching this video, you go through my previous video whose link is given in the description box. In that video I have discussed method 1. So today is method 2, that is derivative of implicit function. Before going to this method, first you just try to clear what is an implicit function. Actually functions are divided into two forms. One is implicit, second one is explicit function. Implicit function and explicit function, two forms of functions are there. One is implicit function, another one is explicit function. Here already I have written some examples. You see these examples and try to find out the difference. See here, y equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 3, y equal to sin x square plus 1. Here x cube plus 3xy plus y cube equal to 7, sin x plus y equal to x square plus y square. Quickly just try to find out some differences between these two functions and these two functions. See here, y is given directly in the form of x in sum or difference of different terms of x only. Y is given only once, here only one y, here only one y. Now see this function, 3, 4 terms are there. You can write minus 7 equal to 0, 3 to 4 terms are there. How many y are there? Y is there, y cube is there, here see y is there, y square is there. So the difference is in these functions y is given directly in terms of x, and in these functions y is not directly given in terms of x, and in most of the problems you will not be able to find y directly in terms of x. See here, y cube is there, y is given, so it is a sine function is there, y square is there, so it is not possible to find y in most of the cases. In some cases you may find y, that is explicit form can be converted to implicit form can be converted to explicit in some of the problems, but in max problems you will not be able to find y in a simpler way. So these are the implicit functions, these type of functions when x and y are mixed in an expression, that is x and y are mixed up in an expression. These type of functions are called implicit function. Now see the method how to find derivative from an implicit function or of an implicit function. Let us take this example. The first one, say given function is x cube plus 3xy plus y cube, that one we have taken earlier. So this is the function given. From this function we have to find dy by dx. Clearly the first thing you need to do is to identify quickly, after getting the sum, after getting the problem, you need to identify the function very quickly, that clear it is an implicit function. Now two methods are clear. Method 1 is a chain rule, method 2 implicit function, derivative of an implicit function. So after getting the sum, you just quickly identify which method to be applied. So here it is clear, it is an implicit function, so we have to apply the implicit function method. In this method what we do, first thing, remember here one thing, for any differentiation problem, any derivative problem, first thing you need to do is try to simplify the given function. Remember this, try to simplify the given function. If it is possible, then first do the simplification, after that you do the differentiation. Here no simplification can be done. And in another thing, in some of the problems, if the function is very complicated, more terms in the multiplicative form, more terms in multiplicative and exponent form, then take log. In the next method I will discuss how to take log. Now see here, nothing can be simplified, so directly whatever is given differentiate with respect to x. Now you know derivative can be separated term by term, that is we can write ddx of x cube plus, we know any constant is independent of derivative whenever it is in the form of multiplication with a function, so it will be ddx of xy plus ddx of y cube equal to ddx of 7. Now see the first term, ddx of x cube. What is the formula of x cube? ddx of x power n, n x power n minus 1. So ddx of x cube will be 3x square plus 3. See the thing here, x variable, y variable, as we are finding derivative of y, that is we have to find dy by dx. So y is also a variable, no one is constant. So what to do? Here we have to apply the multiplication rule, that is the product rule, that is u into v, x ddx of y plus y ddx of x, u ddx of v plus v ddx of y. Clear? Plus, now see this thing, this one is a very new thing. Here we have to apply the chain rule, because differentiation is with respect to x, the function is of y. So first thing, y is x, that is you have to consider y as x. Whenever we consider y as x, so it will be ddx of x cube 3x square, so we have to write y square, that is we are considering y as x. Just remember the chain rule. In the chain rule, whatever considered is x, then we have to multiply the derivative of that function also. So ddx of y, here we to write this part we considered y as x, so into derivative of y equal to 0, since 7 is a constant, derivative 0. Differentiation part complete. Now just simplify. 3x square plus 3x ddx of y means dy by dx plus 3y ddx of x means 1 plus 3y square, again ddx of y means dy by dx. Now see dy dx here, dy dx here. Simply take the derivative terms, ddx term in the LHS and the other terms in the RHS. Another thing you see, in all the terms 3 is there, so we may cancel 3 in the whole expression. So we are getting, write the term of dy by dx in LHS, it is x dy by dx plus y square dy by dx equal to minus this term to right side, it will be minus x square, and this term will be in right side minus y, as 3 cancelled. Now see dy dx is common. Remember one thing, whenever we take common dy by dx or d2y by dx square, always try to write the common term in the right side. Whatever remains, write it in the first and then write dy by dx or d2y by dx square, etc. equal to, here you can take minus common, x square plus y. Now all done. So what is dy by dx? dy by dx equal to minus x square plus y by x plus y square. No more simplification can be done, so this is the answer. Clear? So this is method 2 of differentiation or finding derivatives. Method 2 means derivative of implicit function. Hope implicit function, what is implicit function is clear. Then see the process. First thing, you have to identify the function, whatever given, it is which type of function and which method to apply. In next video I will discuss method 3, method 4. Up to this, method 1 and method 2 clear. Hope this video was helpful to you. If this was helpful, please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of the next video. Thank you.